What's up, J Squad? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been 2 months since we bought the Harrier, and today is its first service. So let's go to the showroom and find out what all changes they make, and also see how much it'll cost for its first service. Let's get going. Not sure if you guys can see, but the gap on the right side of the door is more than that of the left side. So we have asked them to get it fixed. Let's see what happens after the service. So this is one of my favorite cars, the Tata Safari. So they are currently fixing the door gap issue. So first off, I would like to thank Prerana Motors for letting us inside the workshop, and also for letting us record the video. And coming to the service cost, let me show it to you guys. So as you can see, the cost of service was just 90 rupees, and this is even less than the first service cost of my bike. Just wow. So no changes were made to the car, and no consumables were changed, like the engine oil and things like that. But they did the basic checks and also released a software update for the infotainment system. And now the infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, which is great for Apple users. So I think that's it. So if you like the video, do click on the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.